Yeah, welcome to iCrypto platform again. On today's video, we'll be talking about OCO. We are still on the part of the stop loss. So now we'll be talking about OCO. I've talked about limit order, market order, and stop limit. So today we'll be talking about OCO. What does OCO means? Look, if you click on this limit here, click on limit here, you can see we have limit, market, stop limit, and OCO. What does this OCO means? OCO means order cancel order. That is order. You can use one order to cancel one order. That is, you can set your sell price and also set your stop loss at the same time. Anyone that hit first will trigger. That's how to use OCO. So now I'll be showing you how to use OCO. Now when you click on limit below, click on OCO. Yeah, it will pop up like this. After popping up like this, now check your signal. To impute the price you'll be setting your OCO as order cancel order. Now let's check our signal on ADA. Yeah, we have here our buy price is 1.075. Our sell price one is 1.18. That is 10 profit. So now as a beginner, I'll be using sell price one. So now our sell price one is 1.18, while our stop loss is 1.02125. Yeah, so now this is how you are going to do it. Our sell price one is 1.18. Just go back to your trade. Yeah, impute your sell price here. The sell price you want 1.18. That is our sell price one. Now let's go to stop limit. Just the way you did the stop limit, that's how you are going to do here under the OCO. Now our stop USDT will be this. The first one will be our trigger price. That is 1.027. While our year limit will be the stop loss price. That is 1.021. Now since we want to sell everything, since we are going to be selling everything, just click on 100%. Yeah. Now since we've clicked on 100% now, we can now easily place our OCO. After clicking 100%, just click on sell ADA. Yeah, confirm. Yeah, it will be in our open order. It's as simple as that. You can see it's open to trade. It opens to, there's two open order here. We have one for stop limit and one for limit maker, that is to sell. This one is for profit. The down here is for profit, while this one is for stop loss. That means the market, the thing about this one is that if you know market fluctuates, as I always say. So now if the market went up to your sell price, your take profit price first, that is 1.18, that means you'll be making profit. The market will automatically sell off. But if the market comes down first to your stop loss, that is 1.021 and 1.027, your trigger price, that means the market will automatically sell off at loss. You'll be losing small amounts out of your capital. That is that about stop loss. About OCO. OCO is just order cancel order. It is very easy to use. Why maybe you are not around, you will not be around, you are busy at work, you can just set your stop your OCO. You don't need to be checking your phone. You can just check your phone when you are less busy. That is how to use OCO. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.